Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Vase. Let's get started. Hi, my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today, I'm just having some fun practicing paint pouring. I wanted to see if I could make a cool vase and some wall art to hang in my new apartment, but I think I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board on this one. My first attempt was on this vase. I want to use it as a decor piece for my new desk alongside of a bottle that I'm making, which I can't wait to show you all. But it turned out to be one of those expectations versus reality moments. It looked so promising when I started to pour. I wish I had stopped right here because looking back, I love how it didn't cover the whole vase. And that side swoop design it created was so fun. Although, I don't know if it would have stayed that way as it dried. Either way, I continued pouring. At this point, I wasn't happy with how it was turning out, and before washing it off, I played with the paint to see if I could salvage it. I've done this in the past and have had some success, but that wasn't the case this time around. Here's what it looked like when I finished. I ended up washing it off, and now I have a new idea inspired by that side swoop design it created at the beginning. What do you think? Do you like it? Or do you agree with me to start over? What do you guys think? I put that aside and tried my hand at some wall art. I was trying to recreate one of those beautiful three-piece connecting paint pours. The key word here is tried. I made so many mistakes with these, from not having enough paint, to it being too thick, to pulling out my hairdryer and getting paint all over my walls. I made a huge mess, but I did have a lot of fun. tried to save these as well, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but some spots on the canvases don't even have paint on them. You guys be the judge. I don't know how I feel about them. My last attempt was a dirty pour. I've done these before and I thought it was a safe bet. I'm going to use this lighter because even though I do have a torch, thanks to Crafty Queen Tanya, I don't know where to buy the butane for it. If any of you know, please let me know down below. Well, here they are, all finished. Some are still slightly wet because the paint was too thick, which also caused some cracking in certain spots. I honestly don't know how I feel about them. Should I hang them up or should I try again? Please let me know what you think. Overall, I like the colors I used and I think I had the right idea, but I definitely need to invest in the proper materials and tools for this technique. And maybe I should follow a tutorial next time. However, I had so much fun, and it was a nice change of pace as I have multiple detailed projects going on at the moment, which I'm super excited to show you all, including the finished faux stained glass butterfly bottle. I know everybody's been waiting for me to drop the final faux stained glass bottle video, and I am. But I'm so scared to add the colors because I worked so hard to get it to this point, I don't want to mess it up. I've been staring at it for weeks, and every time I go past it, I doubt myself and walk away. But I'm going to put my big girl undies on and finally get it done. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to try something new. If you've been hesitant about trying paint pouring, don't be. Just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.